What's something people don't know about getting the freshest meat in Chennai? Meet Meat Live Truck. Get ready to experience the meat revolution. With Meat Live Truck, you can select your live animal, sheep, goat or chicken, watch the entire processing on site and customize your cuts just the way you like them. Say goodbye to doubts about freshness and quality. Our farm-to-doorstep service ensures that your meat is as fresh as it can get, with hygiene guaranteed. Imagine from livestock to your home in no time, tailored to your liking. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just someone who loves premium meat, Meat Live Truck is here to elevate your culinary game. Launching soon in Chennai. Follow us at meat_live_truck and be part of this fresh meat revolution. Together, let's make fresh meat a reality for every doorstep.